Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. It's amazing how much people, subscribers, followers genuinely know me. You know, when you hear somebody says, when you receive a WhatsApp, when somebody says, Gogo, I can see what you are not okay. Whatever you're going through, be strong, Gogo. Be strong, Salwas and daughter. It shall pass. Thank you, guys. Sometimes in life we tend to do things that have the so bad end results. We choose wrong people, we choose wrong places, we choose wrong friends, we choose many things that are wrong that are happening in our lives. However, it shall pass. And I'm grateful to have such people that they will see in the midst of me trying to smile, trying to be okay, who will see what is Salwas and daughter Siko right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, and I hope you're doing the same to other people that you care about. Today it's a Nedbank Cup. There's a Mapagapag, the Buccaneers, the club that is supported by the ancestors. It's playing against other ancestors, Amakhosi, to abafana bokuthula ngoxolo, Amagwala. Right. Uzobunobani namhlanje? The sad part about today's game is that some of us will be sitting and laughing with people that are working who don't want us to work, with people that are connected who don't want us to be connected. They'll be buying us alcohol and everything, but they cannot assist us so that we can be able to buy alcohol for ourselves. We'll be hanging around with people that are pretending to love us. We'll be supporting them. We'll be worshiping them. We'll be going up and down so my eyes, fetching their girlfriends, doing everything for them because of why? I'm relying on this person. Shame on you who can afford just for you to shine on top of other people. It's okay. And shame on you who think you have a friend, while your friend, the only thing that you want your friend to be is to remain where you are. Togos.